Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we're going to look at the Gibson J45 True Vintage. But before we do so, please click on the link below and sign up for the Acoustic Letter. The Gibson J45 True Vintage has everything that is cool about the J45. Solid mahogany back and sides, solid Adirondack spruce top, vintage style bridge, the whole deal. But it has that kind of true vintage spin. Let me explain. So normally a J45 has a Sitka spruce top. J45 True Vintage has not only an Adirondack spruce top, but Adirondack spruce bracing. It also has solid mahogany back and sides, which I mentioned already. Vintage style bridge, bone saddle. This particular one has bone pins, which we upgraded, which sound really cool. Standard rosewood fingerboard with small dot inlay. And on the J45 True Vintage, we have the classic banner style headstock. This is, well, if you're a Gibson fan, if you're a guitar fan, if you're a J45 fan, you know what the banner style headstock means. It means basically the golden era of Gibson J45s. Also, we have the Kluson 3-on-a-plate vintage style white button tuners and the classic J45 classic vintage tobacco burst. The J45 True Vintage also features a bone nut with a nut width of 1 3/4 for that vintage feel. This guitar is a true classic from the headstock down to the end pin. So let's give it a play so you can hear what this Gibson J45 True Vintage sounds like. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.